apartment while it's still unfurnished. So when you come in the front door, there is a hallway, and it leads you into this main living space. And as you can probably tell, the main feature of the living space is this really nice fireplace. And actually, it's remote controlled, and I've never felt more like James Bond in my life. We have these amazing windows over here. We kind of have like a little nook that has like a bay window, and then these big windows which actually open all the way out, which I love. So over here we kind of have what will be the dining area, and that leads into the kitchen, of course. And what's great about the kitchen is that it has these really amazing brand new appliances. We're super lucky. This place is brand spanking new. And I just really love all of the different appointments in this apartment. Like, I love this white marble. I love this matte black sink, and everything in here is matte black, just murdered out kitchen, which is like amazing. So yeah, I'm really, really excited about cooking in this space, especially because there's not one, but two oven/microwaves, so that is going to make my life a lot easier when it comes to cooking. One of the coolest things about this kitchen, this is something I didn't even know was a possibility. This is like a regular sink, as you can see, you know, cold, hot water, all of that. However, it has this little attachment here, and if you push down on it twice and then turn it, you get instant boiling water. It's amazing. It's great for tea, all that kind of stuff. Really excited. A little bit afraid of it, but I think it'll be really useful. So we have this really interesting design element here. This is a glass door, and I've actually seen this in a lot of Amsterdam interior design, and it's just a glass door with black wrought iron, and it kind of breaks up the space. It makes it really nice, so if someone is, let's say, sleeping in the back, and someone wants to be up here cooking or listening to music, we don't have to disturb each other. So I thought that was cool too, just because it's like very Amsterdam to have, and it made me feel like I was a real Amsterdammer in my place. So this is the hallway to the other side of the home. In here, this is just like a utility closet kind of a thing. But over here, we have the shower room. We have a really great, super spacious actually, shower in here, which is going to be great for when I'm giving my dog a bath. And then we have a really cool white marble trough dual sink here, which is great. And very important, washer dryer. I feel like Vanna. So yeah, that's all really nicely in this area. A lot of times I've noticed here in the Netherlands, the shower room and the room with the toilet are separate, and it's actually really, really convenient. I think we should start doing that everywhere. Across the hallway from the shower room, we have the toilet room, and in here we have this really great, like solid marble, white marble floor, which I really, really love. And then, you know, just standard. There's a toilet in here. There's a really cute tiny white marble sink. But yeah, so that is all in this area. So we're super lucky that we got a 2-bedroom. So if you come on in here, this is the second bedroom, and it has some French doors that open out onto the balcony, which is so awesome. We've got a planter out there that's got like hydrangeas in it, and it's gonna be so beautiful. They just were planted, but they already look great. We're probably gonna use this as an office place for me to film YouTube videos. All kinds of work stuff will happen in this space. So here is the main bedroom. This place just makes me so happy. I'm really excited to move in. So on this wall we have built-in closets, which is excellent. And another great thing is on each side of the bed is a built-in sconce. So we've got our lighting covered for that. And again, we have these amazing French doors that go out onto our balcony, and everything is just really green and beautiful. You can get fresh air. It is really, really exciting. I am so ready to move into this place. It's not even funny.